Hello students, in today's class we shall discuss about the dimensional analysis. So dimensional analysis means it is a conversion of a number from one unit form to the another unit form. Usually while solving the problems in the questions, means that objective questions or the theory questions, we used to encounter a problem of converting the units from one form to the another form. That can easily be done by following the techniques given in the dimensional analysis. So let's see the definition of the dimensional analysis first. It is the conversion of a number from one unit form to another unit form. And here this dimensional analysis is also known as the unit factor method or label factor method. So it is also known as unit factor method or label factor method. First of all, let us see what does it mean by the unit factor. So we shall discuss about this unit factor by taking one example. So whenever units are given or numbers are given, we have to write down in the form of the unit factor. Example, we know that 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters. So this we have to write down in the unit factor method. That means 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeters. This value is equals to 1 unit, one value. Why it is one value? Because here 1 inch, here 1 is in the form of the inches. If this inches is replaced by 2.54 centimeters, then 2.54 by 2.54 gives again 1. Or else if this is replaced by 1 inch, so 1 inch by 1 inch again gives the value 1. That's why 1 inch by 2.54 centimeters is equals to 1. Again, this can also be written as, first time you have written with the inch by centimeters. Now you take the 2.54 centimeters in the numerator and 1 inch in the denominator. So writing of the values in this format is called as the unit factor. This is called as unit factor. Now let us take an example how to convert the one unit to the another unit. So the given question is, imagine, so they are asking us to convert 3 inches into centimeters. So here given value is this inches and they are asking us to convert into the centimeters. So whenever the values are, this type of units are there, so here starting value is in the inch, then you have to take the unit that is having the inch in the denominator. So inch is in the denominator. So this can be written as 3 into 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch. So here also we have written the inches. This is 3 inch. So inch and cancel out. So finally the answer is in the 3 into 2.54 centimeters. Now let us take an example, another question where they are asking us to convert 100 centimeters into inches. Now here centimeters are given, so that whatever the unit you are going to select, their centimeters must be in the denominator. So that centimeters cancel out. Where centimeters are in the denominator in this case, so that we can write down the solution as 100 centimeters into 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeters. So these values cancel out. So we get the 100 by 2.54 inches. Now let us take another question where they are asking us to convert 2 liters into meter cube. So first of all, we have to write down its unit factor. So 1 liter is equals to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So this has to be converted into the unit factor, that is 1 liter divided by 10 power minus 3 meter cube is equals to 1. That equals to 10 power minus 3 meter cube divided by 1 liter. Both values are same. But here the given value is in the liters, so that the liter must be in the denominator. And the final asked unit is in the meter cube. So here meter cube is there. So we have to select this unit. So that this can be written as solution 2 liters into 10 power minus 3 meter cube divided by 1 liter. Liter cancel out. So the 2 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube is the answer. Let us see what about the day and timings. How to convert this? We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So that it can be written as 24 hours by 1 day. Similarly, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. And 1 minute or 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Similarly, minutes to seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. And 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Now, imagine there is a question. So, where they are asking, this is an example. So, where is a question they are asking, convert 3 days into seconds. So, we have to select first of all 3 day. So, where day is present? So, in this unit factor, day is present. Here day is present. So, here day must be in the denominator. So, select this value. That is 24 hours by 1 day. Day cancelled out. Finally, what is left here? Hours are left. Again, we have to convert this hours. So, R is here numerator. So, R is here in the denominator. So, that you select this 60 minutes divided by 1 hour. R cancel out. Again, now minutes. Actually, our target is to get into seconds. But here answer we got in the minutes. So, minutes and seconds relations again. So, here minutes in the denominator, here minutes in the numerator. Select this part. So, 60 seconds by 1 minute. So, minute cancel out. So, final seconds have come. So, final answer could be 3 into 24 hour into 60 into 60 seconds. So, in this way, we can convert the one unit into the another unit using the dimensional analysis. I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubts, please write us to the classroom point at the rate of gmail.com. Thank you.